Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by inspecting the screw head and surrounding material so you know how aggressive to be. First, secure the workpiece so everything stays steady. You don't want the whole piece spinning. Once steady, apply penetrating oil to the screw and let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes to loosen corrosion. Next, choose a hardened drill bit slightly smaller than the screw shank and set a low speed. Make a small center dimple to guide your next cut. Once you've dimpled the head, reshape it to accept a driver. Cut a straight slot with a Dremel or file so a flat driver can bite. Make shallow, controlled passes to avoid weakening surrounding metal. Cooling with oil prevents heat damage. If reshaping won't work, drill a pilot hole for a screw extractor and then use a left turn extractor on low torque while steadying the part. Alternatively, clamp locking pliers firmly and turn slowly. A light tap can help seat the grip. As you remove the screw, turn slowly and steadily. Sudden force can break an extractor or damage threads. If the extractor binds, reverse the drill slightly to free it and inspect the pilot hole before trying again. Once removed, clean and inspect threads. If they're damaged, retap or install a helicoil, or use a larger fastener or through bolt for strength. One troubleshooting tip: if everything fails, drill out the shaft to the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.